Hi there, I'm James and I am offering some preview videos of the St.Jean 2015 ATV Derby trails. Enjoy the view and come to our Derby and enjoy the best ATV Derby in Canada. We're coming up to a farmer's field, and one of the things we ask everyone that comes to the Derby is to stay off the fields because the farmers have given us permission to use the edge of their land, but they really don't want a bunch of quads riding on their fields. So we'd really appreciate if you could just stay off the farmers' fields. Thanks.